In this short tutorial, I will show you how to change your profile picture on Discord Mobile. Changing your profile picture is a great way to personalize your account. To get started, open up the Discord Mobile app and then tap on the U button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the Edit Profile button. Then tap on your current Discord profile picture. And then tap on the Change Avatar option. Now you'll be able to see all your photos. What you want to do next is tap and select any photo you like. If you want to, you can crop the photo and select the exact part where you want the profile picture to be. Tap Choose. Then tap Save at the top right to save changes. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.